Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Ria. You are watching beauty and makeup. Some of you guys who like smoky eyes but they don't know how to do it. So today's video is going to be very useful for you. Today I am going to create a smoky eye look with the help of lipsticks. Yes, it's a little bit strange to hear, but believe me, it is very easy to do. So to learn this, you have to watch this video till the end. Here I already prep my face. So first I'm starting with concealer, applying it all over my eye area with my concealer brush. Here I blending the concealer with the help of my cute and little beauty blender. I'm applying loose powder over my eyes for setting my concealer. Here I'm going to apply my brown shade of lipstick from Faces Canada on my eyelids. After applying lipstick on your eyelid, blend it with your eyeshadow brush. Here I am applying light shade of nude lipstick on my crease area. It is also from Faces Canada. I'm applying black eyeshadow over my eyelid. You can also apply your black kajal over your eyelid. Now I'm going to mix both these shades with brown eyeshadow by applying it on my crease area. I'm applying my brown lipstick on lower lash line and blend it my fine tip eyeshadow brush. I am mixing my black eyeshadow with brown shade. If you have a kohl or a kajal, you can also use it and mix or blend it very perfectly. Shade on my eyelid area with my fine tip eyeshadow brush. I'm applying golden highlighter on my inner V area of my eye with a fine tip brush. Here I'm doing my another eye with this same process. Guys, if you like this video and this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Here I am doing my eyebrows with my brow powder with the help of my brush. I'm applying my foundation with my foundation brush. I'm applying concealer my eye area and tip of my nose and also in my chin because it enhances the feature of your face and it also gives a lifting effect to your face. I'm doing contour. You have to make a face just like this for knowing where you have to do contour on your face. Here I am doing baking. Below where I use contour with my banana powder. Here I'm applying blusher. I'm applying highlighter bone of my cheeks, tip of my nose and bridge of my nose, also on my brow bone and also middle of my brows and also on my chin. I hope you guys understand. Here I'm dusting out all of my banana powder with my beauty blender. Here I'm applying liquid brown shade lipstick. It is also from Faces Canada. After applying lipstick, I apply lip gloss over my lipstick. Guys, and here it is all done.